Introducing the 3.5 Spinal Rod System, a revolutionary advancement in spinal surgery technology. This state-of-the-art system is designed with a top wire to prevent surgical slippage, ensuring patient safety and stability during and after the procedure. The 3.5 Spinal Rod System offers a new level of security and reliability with its variable pitch thread design, firmly fixing and stabilizing the spinal rods in place. The variable pitch thread design of the 3.5 Spinal Rod System is an innovative feature that provides more secure fixation of spinal rods, reducing the risk of displacement or loosening after surgery. In conclusion, the 3.5 Spinal Rod System sets a new standard for spinal surgery technology. The 3.5 Spinal Rod System provides exceptional stability and security for patients requiring spinal rod support, thanks to its advanced variable pitch thread design and top wire technology. Trust this system for superior surgical outcomes and a more promising path to recovery.